Diamond and Silicon Dioxide by KayScience.com. Here I'm using the ball and stick model to show the structure of diamond. These black circles represent carbon atoms, and because there are only carbon atoms, diamond is made of 100% carbon. This line represents a strong covalent bond, and we can see there are many strong covalent bonds holding the carbon atoms in place. Now, if we focus on this carbon atom right here, we can see there are 4 carbon atoms covalently bonded to this central carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in diamond, there are 4 covalent bonds per carbon atom. This gives these carbon atoms a tetrahedral arrangement. Overall, diamond has a giant covalent structure, as there is a rigid 3D network of atoms. Overall, there is a huge network of atoms held together by strong covalent bonds. This causes diamond to be very hard, and this property allows diamonds to be used on drills. So here we have layers of very hard rock, which this drill is able to drill through. So we can see how the layers of hard rock have easily been drilled through due to these diamonds at the tip of the drill. This drill has been embedded with diamonds, as the diamonds are harder than the layers of hard rock, so the diamond helps the drill cut through the hard rock. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. These strong covalent bonds also require a lot of energy to break. Therefore, a lot of thermal energy is needed to break these strong covalent bonds. So diamond has a high melting point of 4,827 degrees Celsius. That is very, very high. Because diamond has 4 covalent bonds per carbon atom, this means there are no delocalized electrons. Therefore, diamond cannot carry an electric current through its structure. So diamond cannot conduct electricity, as there are no delocalized electrons. Now, if we had a beaker of water and we placed diamond in that beaker of water, the diamond would not dissolve. This means diamond is insoluble in water. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here is a ball and stick model of silicon dioxide, which has a chemical formula of SiO2. Just like diamond, silicon dioxide has a giant covalent structure, as it has a rigid 3D network of atoms held in place by strong covalent bonds. This black circle represents silicon, the red circle represents oxygen, and the line in between the circles represents a strong covalent bond. As silicon dioxide has a similar structure to diamond, silicon dioxide has similar properties, such as a high melting point, insoluble in water, and cannot conduct electricity. Both diamond and silicon dioxide make good electrical insulators, as neither can conduct electricity. This is due to them having no delocalized electrons or free ions to move. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.